And here's how to sort and filter photos and videos in iPhone Photos app. Go to your Photos app, and here you have to go to your Photos library just like so. Once you are in your library, here we can see the filter icon. Tap on that. And now here we can see two different options to sort images and videos in library. One is sort by recently added. If you select this, then all of your recently added photos and videos will be shown here. Again, tapping on the sort icon and now selecting sort by date capture, and all of your photos and videos will be sorted by date capture just like so. And now tap on filter, and here all items, if you selected all items, then all of your photos and videos will be shown in library. If you want to sort by only favorites, then select favorites, then all of your favorites photos will be visible. You can select edited, then all of your only edited photos and videos will be shown. You can select only photos, you can select only videos, or you can select only screenshots. So that's how go ahead and sort your photos and videos. And here another option is tap on view options, and here you can zoom in your photo by tapping here zoom out photo. You can change aspect ratio grid just like so. And this is how we can actually sort and filter photos in iPhone. Thanks for watching.